everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another subscription review, and this time we're going to be reviewing Sumlilthings. Sumlilthings is a small stationery business based in America and is run by the couple Kalan and Brian. Their store features a group of characters called the Little Misfits, who each have their own little personality and quirks. Like a lot of other small stationery stores, they sell planner stickers and other planner accessories, as well as stationery goods such as washi, sticker sheets, pens, and planners. As you'll see as the trend in a lot of my reviews, this art style really resonates with me because I really love cute round characters. Sumlilthings has a monthly subscription, which means you get a package every single month, and there are 4 different tiers you can get. There is the generic sticker kit, the Hobonichi Weeks kit, the mini vertical kit, and then the Hobonichi cousin kit. I was going back and forth on whether or not I wanted to get a kit from all of them and then just show you what you get in each bundle, but I'm going to do something different for Sumlilthings. I'm just going to subscribe to the Hobonichi cousin for 3 months, and I'm going to show you what you get month by month. When you subscribe to any of those 4 kits, you're also granted the ability to subscribe to the premium add-on, which just includes a bunch of different stationery goods that accompany the theme for every month of the sticker kits. Sumlilthings, they also offer a month-to-month subscription, or you can pre-subscribe for 3 months and get a discount. And for the premium add-on, you can buy it separately for $42, or when you subscribe you can pay $20 for the month-to-month, or you can pay $16 per month when you subscribe for 3 months. When I subscribed for 3 months, I saw the 3 themes that I was going to get, so I think that it was very useful that they planned that very far in advance. Even though I will not be showing you the exact contents of the other sticker kits, I can tell you what you can get, and hopefully that will give you a better idea of whether or not this is a good sticker kit for you. For the generic sticker kit, you get 4 foiled sticker sheets, 6 decorative sticker sheets, 2 vinyl stickers, and 1 washi sticker. And this is going to be $24 a month, or when you subscribe for 3 months, it's going to be $21 per month. When you subscribe, you also get a lot of benefits, such as a 10% store-wide discount code, 1 hour early access to new shop releases, ability to combine orders with the subscription shipment, and you have access to their private Facebook group. My understanding, you also have access to a sort of secret shop, which I think sells items from the premium add-on that you could just, like, let's say you didn't want the whole premium add-on, now you can just buy individual items from that shop and add it onto your subscription order. The subscriber benefits are the same for every single tier, so no matter what you subscribe to, you will be receiving the same benefits. On their site, when you click on the listing, they show you exactly what kind of stickers you're going to get. Like, they show you 4 functional sheets and the 6 Lux matte sticker sheets, so you can see what you're going to get, as well as the theme that you're going to receive. For the Hobonichi Weeks kit, you get 2 times weekly foiled sticker sheets, 4 times weekly sticker sheets, 2 times monthly sticker sheets, and 2 vinyl stickers. And month to month it will be $20, and the 3-month prepaid plan will be $18. For the mini vertical kit, you get 2 full box sticker sheets, 7 functional sticker sheets, 1 banner sticker sheet, and 2 vinyl stickers. And this is the cheapest subscription at $18 per month, or $16 per month if you subscribe for 3 months. Last is the Hobonichi cousin kit. You will get 2 weekly folded sticker sheets, 3 weekly sticker sheets, 2 monthly sticker sheets, and 2 vinyl stickers, and that is going to be $20 per month, or $18 per month if you prepay the plan. So that is a quick overview of all the subscriptions, and now I'm going to be showing you what I got in the 3 months I've subscribed to the Hobonichi cousin kit. So this is the first month I received from Sumlilthings, and it came in this box. And it has this little sticker that just says Chi-Chi's Delivery Service, which is one of the characters. I think this is a parakeet of some kind. So I think this is the theme of the month. It says, "Welcome to the Misfits crew." Oh. I thought this was the theme card, but it just says "Welcome to the Misfit crew," and I think it just shows you, it just wants to tell you something about the different communities. So it says, "Welcome aboard. We're so happy that you have chosen to join our little misfits on their crazy adventures. Enjoy endless varieties of stickers and stationery with a different theme delivered to your doorstep every month. As an esteemed member of our Misfit crew, you will also receive perks like discount codes, combining orders, and early access to releases. Share your creations with us in our private or Discord communities. Treasures await." This is just a little intro pamphlet that they give, and it's just very cute. It introduces all of their characters and tells you a little bit about their story. Okay, so I think this theme is lavender. This theme, I know it has to do with lavender, but I don't know what it's called, so I'm going to take everything out of the box. So I'm going to start with everything you just get in the basic subscription. So this is the subscription for Hobonichi cousin, and it says it's called Lil Lavender Sweets. Okay, so I think I've laid everything out. These are the 2 foiled weekly sheets. Together, I think they make up 1 weekly spread. I think these are the 2 monthly sheets because it has the numbers to set up your monthly view, and then these are, I think, are boxes that you can use to mark out different events. This is the washi tape at the bottom. These 3 are the 3 monthly sheets. You have the date covers for the top of the month, as well as some activity boxes. These are trackers and heart checklists. And you have more heart checklists and other sort of half boxes and quarter boxes. And then with it, you also get 2 vinyl stickers, which are appropriately themed. They are lavender colored and they are desserts. This is the premium add-on, and from what I can understand, it seems to change from month to month. Because I bought the 3-month in advance option, this was an add-on for $16 a month. The first thing I see is a little file folder, a little sticker folder, and it is decorated like a menu for a little cafe. Then you have some sticky notes. You get 4 different washi tapes, and then lastly you have the stationery pouch, which has this band that you can connect, that you can use to attach to any sort of notebook for when you're on the go. There's a zipper compartment, and then these little slots. I think the Lavender Sweets was for January, so this is probably the one for February. It is called Lil Magical Munchies. Oh. Okay, so this month it comes with a pouch that you can put into a 6-ring binder. So I'm going to start out with the Hobonichi base subscription. These are the 2 vinyls that you get, and I think for Little Magical Munchies, it is basically Disney themed pastries. This is the 6-page kit. These are the 2 foiled sheets. These are the 3 weekly sheets. This is the monthly sheet. Onto the extra stuff, you have these sticky notes, which are designed like these file folders, are 3 washi tapes. I really like the theme of this one, I think because I really like a lot of Disney movies. You also get a set of clear stamps, which are really cute. And then this is a DIY keychain kit. I really liked the items you got this month, and I also really like the theme. For the 3rd monthly Hobonichi subscription, this is the one for March. And it also comes with this pouch, which is really good for storage. As usual, you have your base kit. These are the 2 vinyls. I think it is probably coffee themed, coffee or Starbucks cafe themed. These are the 2 foiled sheets. These are the 3 weekly sheets, and this is the monthly sheet. Onto the extras, we have these 3 washi tapes. These 2 are more traditional 15mm, and then this one is irregularly cut, so on top it follows the pattern, so it doesn't have that extra bulk. This is says coffee is my emotional support beverage, and from what I saw online, this is a bag to carry your tumbler in, or a big cup like the Stanley Cup, I think. And you also have this coaster which says, if you can read this, I'm refilling my coffee. Very cute. Then we have a bigger notepad, things to do after coffee, and that is everything I got for 3 months of subscribing. So as you can see, it's later in the day, but I wanted to finish my review, so I hope this isn't too distracting for you. As part of trying to organize my videos a little bit more, I've also decided to take some steps to make the review more concise because I felt like I was going all over the place. So I'm going to separate it into pros and cons. Sumlilthings is the type of subscription where the base, at least, is all the same. Like every month you get the exact same things, except that the theme changes. So if you think that this is worth your money, then that's good because the value of items does not change from month to month. What's interesting is that there was a great variety of items in the premium add-on. So if you like surprises, then that is a very good addition. But if you don't want surprises and you want a consistent value, perhaps, then I can't say I recommend it that much because the amount of items you can get, there's just such a variety of it, especially in the last month that I opened. where you got a little tote bag and a coaster. Those aren't really stationery items, but then for the other months, it felt like it was more stationery focused. My favorite add-on has definitely got to be the Magical Munchies, because I really love the clear stamps that they included. One thing I'm confused about is, I don't know, maybe it was a recent addition, but I'm not sure why they decided to give out the clear pouches for the last 2 months I did. I don't know, maybe it's because the first month I was doing my intro subscription, so maybe that's always a little bit different. Pricing, as always, is subjective, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. The Hobonichi subscription was $18, I think, when you subscribe for 3 months, and then $20 if you subscribe for just 1 month. So I'm looking at the website for the retail value. So the monthly kit is made of 2 pages, and that will cost $10 on their website, just retail. And a weekly kit is going to be 2 pages as well, and that will be $12 if it's foiled. So putting all that into mind, because you get 6 pages for the subscription sticker kit, I think that it is worth it in terms of what the store would sell to you for retail price. And you also get 2 vinyls, so I think it is worth the money, and they do tell you the theme beforehand, so it's not like you're guessing. You can make sure that you like what you're going to purchase. For the premium add-on, I also would say that the price is pretty fair. So seeing that you get multiple washi tapes, I think that kind of speaks to the price itself already, but because that is not the only thing you can get, and you usually have a larger stationery item as well, I think that is worth the money as an add-on, especially if you buy the 3-month subscription. I would also like to speak about the paper quality. I like that there is a variety of papers that they use. For the regular weekly months that are not foiled, this is matte sticker paper, so it's easy for all pens to write on, while the sticky ones are a little glossier, but not that glossy that you can't write on it. For cons, I honestly can't think of any glaring cons other than the subjective things that I mentioned, because a lot of things it's just based off of your preference. I guess the only con could be that the add-on items are a surprise. While they do tell you the theme for the 3 months, they don't show you like the exact items you're going to get for your add-on. So perhaps that is a surprise for people who subscribe for 3 months. So I wish that maybe they could give a little bit more information on the 3 months of product that you can get if people decide to subscribe for 3 months, so that can help them with their decision making. But I think because of the money that you're saving, they probably see it as sort of a risk that you can take, because you are saving money in the long run. But if that is something that bothers you and you do not like surprise, you should probably just stick to the monthly subscription before committing for 3 months. So that is my review of Sumlilthings. I hope that with all the information I was able to give, the video was informative and entertaining. If you like this video, please consider giving me a like and commenting down below if you would want to subscribe to Sumlilthings, and please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!